Okay, so guys, I think in the last video I completed with this asymmetric key encryption. Now I'll talk about asymmetric key encryption. So what is asymmetric key? In symmetric, if you see, we have used only one key, wherein one key is used both for encryption and decryption. But for asymmetric, we are using two keys. One is public key, and the next one is private key. Okay, so public key is used, it can be shareable, no problem, you can share it, but this one is you have to protect it. Okay, this is very important. So understand this public key and private key concept. Now what we will do is I will just show you a nice example of a nice overflow of what exactly is this. Okay, so here we go. Now say for example Samir is here. Okay, so Samir is here and Zulfi is here. So this is Samir and this is Zulfi. Yeah, now what Samir is going to do is Samir is going to send a file called file A, F-I-L-A, file A something. Okay, so what he will do is, okay, so before he sends a file A to Zulfi, okay, Samir will ask Zulfi, hey boss, can you send me your public key? Okay, so Zulfi, what he will do is he will, he will send a public key in the cloud or somewhere else. He will share it, public key in the cloud, he will share it. Now, so what Samir will do is Samir will go ahead and Samir will go ahead and take the public key, this public key, and take it back. Okay, and then he will encrypt it. Okay, now when he encrypts it, what he will do is there would be, so here, so for example, so he will, this is an algorithm. What algorithm we are using? We are using something like AES 256 algorithm. This is the algorithm name. Okay, so Samir will take the public key from here to here, and then he will use the algorithm as well, and after combining these things, okay, so he will get an output, correct? So he will get an output, and that output would be in which format? It would be in the ciphertext format, which is encrypted. So what he will do, Samir will send this file to Zulfi, ciphertext. Now Zulfi will get the ciphertext. So what Zulfi will do, Zulfi is already having a private key for this public key, correct? So everybody will have each key, one key pair, one is public key and private key. Now Zulfi will have, so Zulfi will have that is equivalent to private key. Equivalent public key, you will have it. So this is a public key. For this public key, Zulfi is already having a private key, which he is never sharing with anyone. So using this private key, he will take the ciphertext and then he will decrypt it, and then he will get file A. That's it. So this is the basic funda of asymmetric key. So if you compare the symmetric and asymmetric, we are using key pair. One is public and private. Even if you log into AWS instance, so we are using this key pair method only. So even for SSH and all, we are using the same. Okay, so this is a basic funda of asymmetric or asymmetric encryption. So understand the symmetric concept, very clear. So just watch my video again, and then in the next video we'll talk about KMS, okay, key management services. Okay, thanks guys.